I'm Louise Tambini. I'm Deputy Chief Executive for Keep Wales Tidy. The initiative is an electrical waste reuse and recycling scheme. Keep Wales Tidy wanted to create a scheme where companies could responsibly dispose of their electrical waste, both items that are working, that are just not needed any longer, but also broken electrical items. It's really important we prolong the life of all this type of equipment rather than buying new equipment all of the time, which obviously takes up lots of natural resources. It has lots of benefits for the community. Firstly, it creates jobs here in South Wales, and another massive benefit is that it generates some income for Keep Wales Tidy, which then enables us to invest it in community projects locally. For example, we support litter champions and community groups to undertake cleanups, and the money raised helps to pay for litter picking equipment, bin bags, free insurance for volunteers. So all the money gets reinvested back into community activities. We've got one planet, we have to look after her.